Hi everyone, good evening. This is your quant faculty Shivashish from Hit Bullseye. How are you doing today? Wishing you all a very happy Onam. Okay, a quick request. For the first 5 minutes, can you please enable your videos? Uh, we would really like to see each other here, the face behind the name. If you can, please enable your videos for first 5 minutes. All right, I can see Shivam. Others, please enable your video. Shivam, please, can you add your surname also there? Can you edit your name? Okay, I repeat, can you please enable your video so that everybody can see each other? The person behind the name for first 5 minutes. Okay, I can see Shreya. Hi Shreya, good to see you. Okay, Shivam Pruthi.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Good evening. All right, wishing once again a happy Onam to all of you. We'll wait for a couple of more minutes and then we'll start. Today's topic is HCF and LCM. And good to see you all. And we'll do this often. And first 5 minutes, we'll try to see each other how we are doing, and then we'll start with the class. Okay, good. So any doubts from the last class? Divisibility rules, numbers. Did you try the questions? Did you practice the questions which we learned? Okay, any doubts from the last class? Please confirm. कोई doubts हैं तो बताइए. Okay. All right, then let's start. Today's topic is HCF and LCM. This is one good topic, and we have a number of questions which come in link with HCF and LCM. We'll try to solve some good questions today. And yeah, I mean, this is a very interesting topic. We'll see how to make the calculations fast and solve questions quickly. I can see people joining. Okay, Vidhi, आप video off कर सकते हैं. We're getting started with the class. Okay, thank you. All right, so first let's try to see the definition. What is HCF? HCF is the highest common factor of two or more numbers. The HCF of two or more numbers is the greatest number which divides each of those numbers exact number of times. So example, HCF of 24 and 36 is 12, right? This is straight and simple. Don't go too much theoretical, but just see if the concept is clear or not. So highest. So if I try to break this terminology here, if I try to break this, H is the highest common and F is the factor. So I have to look at the highest number, which is common and which is a factor of the given numbers. Simple as that. Just try to break the definition, you'll get the answer. So the terms or the numbers which we have to, terminology which we have to look at is the greatest or the highest. I mean, sometimes the question is not mentioning HCF, but it will, mention the words as greatest, highest, or the largest number. So from there, you will get to know from these keywords that it is the HCF to be calculated. Clear, everybody? Shall we proceed towards our first question? Please confirm. All right. Question number 1, please solve. 30 seconds, we will discuss. Chirag is saying 48. Okay. Vidhi is saying 48. Any other answers? Archana is saying 48. Okay. Shivam is saying 48. Last 15 seconds, we will discuss. All right. Everybody got the answer? Everyone getting 48? Please confirm. Suksharanjeet, what answer you getting? Suksharanjeet, can you hear me? Okay, we'll solve this one. So how do we go about it? How do we find the highest common factor? So the best idea is to write down the numbers in the prime factorization form. So let's do that. Let's write down in the prime factorization form and see what is the highest common factor. So 144, if I quickly find the factors, let's do that. So it is 2 raised to power 4 into 3 raised to power 2 and 768 similarly. Let's do that. Twelve, 6, 3. So this is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 raised to power 8 into 3. Yeah, so these are my prime factorization form for both of them. And what I have to look at is the highest common factor. So if I can see the powers which are the lowest, I mean the lower power in both of them common, we should take that. So according to this, my highest common factor is 2 raised to power 4 I can take, and 3 is what I can take. So 2 raised to power 4 is how much? 2 to the 4 is 8 to 16 into 3, 48 is my highest common factor. I get my answer. Everybody has given the right answer. Good. Clear, everybody? Just convert it into the prime factorization form and then take the highest powers. I mean the lower power, sorry. And you get the answer. Shall we proceed, everyone? All right. Let's go to the next one. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. Please solve कीजिए. HCF of the three numbers. 30 seconds we will discuss. और इसका आंसर हमें बताएंगे स्मिहान गौतम. इसका आंसर बताइए प्लीज. स्मिहान, are you able to hear me? See, I'll keep checking, people are actively involved in the class or not. So please make sure that you are on your system and you are there. Okay, स्मिहान, please बताइए क्या है इसका आंसर. Okay, others also please confirm what answer you're getting. Any other answer, anyone? Last 15 seconds we will discuss. All right, let's do it. So same thing, we have to write down the numbers in the prime factorization form and then see what is the highest common factor. So let's do that. 2 raised to power 3 into 3, 72. 2 raised to power 3 into 3 raised to power 2, and 112. 2 raised to power 4 into 7. So we have to take the lowest of the powers from all three, which is, I can see 2 raised to power 3 is common to all of them, which is the highest common factor, which is 8 is the right answer. Absolutely correct. Everybody's right. Those have given the answers. Good. Shall you proceed? Clear, everyone? आगे बढ़ सकते हैं. Shall you proceed? Please confirm. Okay. Let's go ahead. Yes, please tell me this. This is on very similar lines. और इसका आंसर हमें देंगे प्रणव. इसका आंसर दीजिए प्लीज. प्रणव, प्लीज आंसर दिस वन. शिवम शर्मा, आप लेट हैं बहुत क्लास के लिए. What happened?
So my technical issue was there. Laptop was not starting.
Okay, no worries. Please solve कीजिए question on the screen. Are you sure, Pranav, this is the highest number? So you're saying 2. We have to find the greatest number which when divides 634 and 1454 leaves the remainder 4 and 5. अगर आप 2 से करेंगे फिर तो remainder बचेगा ही नहीं कोई. Isn't it? Check. Vidhi is saying 63. Okay, we'll see. Smihan is saying 63. Okay. Last 15 seconds we will discuss. Shivam Pruthi is saying 63. Okay. All right, let's discuss. So what are we supposed to do here? Okay, Shreya, we'll see if it is right or not. So यहाँ पर बात भी again we are having the greatest number, which means we have to find the HCF, right? But there is small step which we have to perform before going ahead and finding the HCF, which is that हमें ये जो remainders दिए हुए हैं 4 and 5 respectively, we have to subtract these remainders from the given number. So in reality, I have to find the HCF of 634 minus 4 and 1454 minus 5, because these are the remainders we are having after the division, right? So my numbers are 630 and 1449. These are my two numbers for which I have to find the HCF. So आइए solve कर लेते हैं. 630 अगर मैं देखूं so 3 से जाएगा. And similarly, so this is what 3 is power 2 into 7 into 5. This is my prime factorization form. And 1449. So this is, yes, again sum is divisible by 3, so it will go by 3. I'll do that. Prime factorization 12 8 3. So now this is going by 4 8 12 plus 3. Yes, it will go again by 3 1 18 1 161. This will go by 7. Say it will go 7 to the 14, 7 3 and 23 1. So I have 3 raised to power 2 into 7 into 23. So similar stuff, I have to find my HCF, which is common to both of them. So 3 raised to power 2, I can see one thing common, and then 7 is their other value I can see common. So which is 9 into 7, which is 63 is my right answer. Absolutely correct. Those who have given 63 as the answer. Not 2, please check. 2 से तो होगा ही नहीं, because both are divisible by 2. No worries, Pranav. Okay. So clear, everyone? So over here, when the remainder is there, after dividing the given numbers, we have to subtract the remainders first and then perform the similar thing, which is finding the HCF, because the greatest number is asked in the question. Clear as abhi ko? Shall we proceed? Please confirm in the chat window. All right, let's go to the next one. ये बताइए on very similar lines. 30 seconds now, everybody should be able to solve it. Chirag, please check what is asked in the question. They're asking find the remainder in that case. Remainder पूछा गया है हमसे यहाँ पे. All right, last 15 seconds we'll discuss. Quickly, everyone. Now you should be able to solve it. All right, let's discuss. So we have got again the greatest number, which means we are talking about the HCF, right? Now we have got three numbers here: 53, 63, and 83, right? So first thing on observation, I can see that there's only one number which can divide all three and then give a same remainder, which I can see the 3 as coming at the unit place, right? To simplify it further, what I can do is I can subtract the 3 numbers in all the 3 combinations, and the HCF of that subtraction, the difference, will also be the same value. Let's do that. So HCF of 63 minus 53, 83 minus 63, and 83 minus 53. These are again plain and simple, but in case of complex numbers, this really helps. ये बहुत help करता है जब numbers बहुत far away हो और बहुत complex हो. So ये तो straightforward था, but yes, just for your illustration. यहाँ बात बिल्कुल simple हो जाती है. HCF of 10, 20, 30 is 10. Now 10 is my number by which I'll be dividing. And if I divide the 3 by 10, my remainder comes out to be 3 is absolutely the right answer. Please check what is asked in the question. After solving, you cannot mark the wrong option. चक दे नहीं करना यहाँ पे. All right? Clear, everybody? Shall we proceed? So you can remember this. Please make a note of this. Differences will also be giving us the same HCF. Please note. Shall we proceed ahead, everyone? Please confirm in the chat window. Everyone, please confirm. All right. चलिए अगला प्रश्न +3 और -1 के लिए आपकी स्क्रीन पर ये रहा. Okay, one answer is coming out to be 21. Let's see if it is right or not. Last 15 seconds, please. Everybody, are you getting the same answer? 21? Yeah. All right. Let's solve it. So यहाँ एक बात I would like to emphasize, which is the statement here. यहाँ आपको clue तो दिया हुआ है, word problems on HCF, but if it is not written, then how you will, determine if it is HCF or LCM. So now a customer comes to purchase rice from shopkeeper in following quantities: 210 kg, 230, what is that total? 231 and 273 kg, right? If shopkeeper wants to use a single measuring cup, what size should it be? So now here it is implied, right? यहाँ पर if I see कि shopkeeper would always want to have the biggest size of the measuring cup possible, right? In order to give the three quantities. तो यहाँ पे बात ये implied है कि he is looking for the maximum size of the cup. So अगर maximum है तो जहां पर maximum word आ गया वहां पे हमें HCF देखना है. So this is implied here. You have to read the statement and imply that we have to find the HCF. Then once this is clear, then it is straightforward. We have got three values: 210, 231 and 273. We have to just simply find the HCF. We have just learned in the last question that differences will also have the same HCF. Let's do that. 231 minus 210, 273 minus 231 and 273 minus 210. This is how much? 21. This is how much? 42. And this is 63. Now you get your answer straightforward. 21 is the right answer. Everybody's correct. Good. Clear, everyone? Shall we proceed? Please confirm. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. Please solve this one. And this question will be solved by Sukhcharanjit Kaur. Please solve this one and tell me the answer. Are you able to hear me now? Sukhcharanjit, please confirm in the chat window. Are you able to hear me now? Yes. Please solve this one, Sukhcharan, and we will discuss. 30 seconds. Yes, last 30 seconds. शिव आप कह रहे हैं 3 boxes. Okay. We'll check. Vidhi is saying 53. Okay. Archana is saying 11. Chirag is also saying 11. Okay. Smihan is saying 53. सुखचरणजीत बताइए आपका क्या आंसर आ रहा है प्लीज. Last 15 seconds we'll discuss. All right, let's solve it. So what do we have here? Again, let's understand the question first. So we have got shopkeeper has 451 oranges and 132 apples. Okay. They are to be divided into boxes, says that each box having the same number of fruits. Okay जी, बात यहाँ तक clear हो गई है. Without mixing the two types. This is important. Without mixing the two types. All right. So now what is asked in the question? We have got what is the minimum number of boxes needed? Now again, let's think from the shopkeeper's perspective. I really want that my number of boxes should be minimum, which means my number of fruits per box should be maximum. And the condition is given each box having the same number of fruits without mixing the two types. Which means what? और यहाँ तो clue में भी लिखा हुआ है you have to find the HCF, isn't it? मगर हमें HCF निकालने के बाद ये देखना है कि नंबर ऑफ बॉक्सेस कितने हैं. सो अगर जो FCF निकलेगा इन दोनों वैल्यूज का, it will be giving us what? अगर मैं इन दोनों का HCF निकालूं, it will be giving me the fruits which will be there in each of the box without mixing the two types, isn't it? Please check. The HCF of these two values will be giving me the fruits which will be there in each of the boxes. So what's that? So HCF, I can see it is simple and straight, 41 into 11, and it is 12 into 11. सामने नजर आ रहा है 11 फैक्टर है, right? So HCF of this is nothing but 11. Now HCF is nothing but the number of fruits per box. But what is asked in the question? Minimum number of boxes needed, which is nothing but 41 plus 12. 53 is the right answer. Please check. Not 3, not 11. और 3 तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं होता. इतना बड़ा बॉक्स कहां से लेके आएंगे मेरे दोस्त? ये आई थिंक who gave this answer? शिवम, पृथ्वी, इतना बड़ा बॉक्स यार, इतने सारे ऑरेंजेस और एप्पल रखने हैं हमें. सो आई थिंक कुछ तो हमारे बॉक्सेस लगेंगे, राइट? 3 बॉक्सेस में तो काम नहीं चलेगा, isn't it? Please check. Everybody clear? What is asked in the question? Yeah, possible, Shivam. Yes. Okay. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. Everybody clear? Shall we proceed? Okay. Next we have the class size. अब यहाँ पर what we have learned, we will just apply that and see who all gets all three questions right. So please confirm. Are you able to see the screen? Please confirm. Okay. Time starts now. Ten seconds. We'll move to the question number 2. Question number 2 on your screen. Please check. Are you able to see the screen? Let me check. Now is it visible? Question number 2. Perfect. Please go ahead. Last 10 seconds. We'll go to question number 3. Question number 3. Please check. Last 15 seconds, we will check the answers. चलिए आंसर्स देखते हैं सभी के और देखते हैं how many of you got it right. So first is 3, second is 12, third is 24. Please check. First question answer is 3, second is 12, third it is 24. Please confirm those of you have got the right answers, all three. Vidhi has got it right, Shreya, Shivam, Sharma, Shivam Pruthi, both have got right. Okay, Chirag is saying all. What about others? We've got 12 students here. Okay, Adesh is saying all three, Ruby is saying all correct. So we've got how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 out of 12, which is around 56%. Archana is saying 2 correct. Sukhcharanjeet Singh 2 correct. Smihan, we saw your answer. You have also, I think, got 2 correct, right? Please confirm. होने चाहिए थे, तीनों होने चाहिए थे अब. Now, if you would have observed carefully in the last 6th question which we have done, apples and oranges, तो ये third question भी आपका सही होना चाहिए था. So, if you see the HCF over here, HCF will come out to be 23, and we are looking at the number of groups. HCF इनका 23 आ जाएगा, और अगर आप ग्रुप्स निकालें, which is nothing but 11 plus, this is how much, 1 and 3. 24 groups is the right answer, not 23. Please check. Clear? Smihan, Archana and Sukhcharanjit, I assuming third question was the incorrect you got. Shall we proceed, everyone? Any other questions or any other doubts you have from these three? All right. Let's go to the next one, and those who have got all the three correct. You are the top guns. Good. Keep it up and keep it rolling. All right. Let's go back to our main presentation. All right, let's now move to the next part of the topic, which is the LCM. So the definition of the LCM, we can see on the screen. Let's read it. So again, break the three words we have, which is the least common factor, multiple, sorry, क्या बोल रहा हूँ? Least common multiple, LCM, right? So we have here, so again, the words which we'll be looking over here is the smallest slash lowest. Yeah, these will be the words or the keywords which you'll be looking in the question to know that LCM is something which we have to find. What is the definition of the two or more numbers? Is the smallest of the numbers which is exactly divisible by each of them. So smallest of the numbers which is exactly divisible by each of them. Yeah, let's go to the questions and try solving some of them to see how we go about it. Some of the examples here. So we are having two numbers 12 and 15. We write down the multiple for both of them: 12, 24, 36, 48, 60. And for 15 we have 15, 30, 45, 60, 75. Now the first multiple which is common to both of them is 60, and therefore we have the LCM is 60. Simple and straight. Yeah, चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. Please solve this one. 30 seconds we'll discuss. Chirag is saying 120. Let's check if this is the right answer or not. Others, please confirm. Chirag is saying 360 now. Okay. शिवम आप न्यूमरल्स में लिख सकते हैं instead of words. Okay. Vidhi is saying 360. Let's check. Last 15 seconds we'll discuss. Okay, no worries, Shivam. Okay. Sukh Charanjit is saying 120. Okay. Last 10 seconds we'll discuss. All right, let's solve it. So how do we go about solving the LCM? So again, the first thing which comes to my mind is prime factorization. I'll write down into the prime factorization for each one of them and then solve it. Yeah, let's do it. So 8 is 2 raised to power 3, then 12 is 2 raised to power 2 into 3, then 36 is 2 raised to power 2 and 2, 3 raised to power 2, and 40. 2 raised to power 3 into 5, right? So now I have to look for the highest values which are there, right, from all the uh, different numbers taken. So over here I can see what is the highest power of 2, which is 3. I will take that. And I have to take all of the factors at least once. right? Then I can see 3 raised to power 2 is my highest power over here, and then 5 is the number. I have taken all the factors which I have got from the prime factorization, hence this is my LCM. This comes out to be how much? 8 into 9 into 5 into 5, my bad. 8 5 is 40, 40 into 9, 360 is my LCM. Is the right answer, not 120, please check. Yeah, clear everybody? 360 is the right answer. All right. Now, there is one more way to go about it. In LCM, we can actually make the calculations fast by ignoring the numbers which are already having a multiples in the given numbers. So now 8 multiple is there, 12 multiple is there, and 8 multiple is there. So I can ignore 8 and 12 and only calculate the LCM of 36 and 40, which will also give me the same answer, 360. Please check. So I can ignore the factors of the numbers given, and I can just calculate the LCM of the higher values to get my answer. Clear everyone? Shall we proceed? Everybody, please confirm. All right. So चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. So it is the same point which is mentioned here. Any number is a factor of another number, then the smaller number can be left to find the LCM. Please solve this one now. 30 seconds we will discuss. अब ये जल्दी से सभी का सही होना चाहिए. And Ruby, please tell me the answer for this one. Ruby Consult, can you hear me? Yes, please बताइए इसका क्या आंसर है. One answer is coming 420. Let's check if it is right or not. Others, please confirm. रूबी प्लीज बताइए क्या आंसर आ रहा है आपका. जल्दी से बताइए. All right, let's solve it quickly and see if this is the right answer or not. Okay, so if I'll be ignoring the numbers which are already having a multiple. So 10 can go away, 12 can go away, 30 can go away. I just have two numbers, 60 and 70. So 60 is 6 into 10 and 70 is 7 into 10. So if I have to take the LCM, it will be 6 into 7 into 10. 420 is the right answer. Absolutely correct. Yeah, this was quick and simple. So I have just have two numbers to calculate my LCM. That is all. That is all. Yeah. Everybody clear? Shall we proceed? चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. अगला प्रश्न +3 और -1 के लिए आपकी स्क्रीन पर ये रहा. इसका आंसर बताएंगे शिवम. शिवम बताइए प्लीज. कोई भी शिवम बता दे दोनों में से. नो वरी शिवम, ट्राई कीजिए, बताइए. इट्स वेरी सिमिलर जो हमने अभी किया है. जस्ट वन मोर स्टेप, प्लीज चेक. Okay, last 10 seconds we'll discuss. Okay, Vidhi and Chirag are saying 243. We will check if it is the right answer or not. Ruby is also saying 243. Okay. चलिए आइए डिस्कस करते हैं. करेक्ट शिवम, बिल्कुल सही. सो अब यहाँ पर रिमाइंडर्स को कैसे मैनेज करना है, कैसे सॉल्व करना है इस क्वेश्चन को. HCF में हमने क्या किया था. HCF में हमने जो रिमाइंडर्स दिए हुए थे रेस्पेक्टिव नंबर्स के, उनको हमने सब्ट्रैक्ट किया था और जो वैल्यूज आए थे उनका फिर हमने HCF निकाला था. फॉर LCM व्हाट वी हैव टू डू इज वी हैव टू फर्स्ट फाइंड द LCM and then add the remainder to it. यहाँ पे प्रोसेस ऑपोजिट है. या सो लेट्स डू दैट. यहाँ पे आइए देखते हैं LCM क्या आ रहा है नंबर्स का. प्लीज मेक अ नोट ऑफ दिस. LCM के केस में हमें पहले LCM निकालना है और फिर रिमाइंडर ऐड करना है इफ एनी गिवन. एंड HCF में we have to subtract the given remainders and then take the HCF. अब यहाँ पे मल्टीपल्स हैं. we can ignore 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 So यहाँ सिर्फ दो numbers 48 and 80 का LCM निकालना है. Let's do that. So this is 2 raised to power 4 into 3, and this is 2 raised to power 4 into 5. So what will be my LCM? I have to include all the factors. 2 raised to power 4 comes common, into 3 into 5 is my LCM, which is, this is 8 into 3 into 10, which is 240 is my LCM. Now, we'll leave a remainder 3 in every case. We'll leave a remainder 3. Now I will add this remainder over here to get my answer as 243 is the right answer. Please check. Good. Vidhi, Ruby, and Chirag, those who have got it right. Good. 243 is the right answer. Clear, everybody? शिवम, क्लियर हो गई बात अब? Perfect. Shall we proceed, everyone? चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं and we solve similar questions. Yes, please solve this one. 30 seconds we'll discuss. इसका आंसर हमें देंगे Vidhi. Please solve this one. Please tell me the answer, what you're getting for this. Vidhi Gupta. Okay, Chirag and Vidhi are saying second option. We'll see if it is right or not. Others, please confirm. Last 10 seconds we'll discuss. Everybody got the answer? All right, let's discuss. So before solving this question, there is a concept called negative remainder. यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है? यहाँ पे नेगेटिव रिमाइंडर्स की बात हो रही है. तो अगर आप देख सकते हैं, the common difference between 8 and 5 is 3, 12 and 9 is 3, 24 and 21 is 3, and 33 and 30, sorry, 36 and 33 is again 3. So we have a minus of 3 there for each one of them, which means कि यहाँ पर difference same है, negative remainder same है, -3. So what we'll do is we'll find the LCM and then we'll again subtract 3 from there. Let's do that. So we have to find the LCM of 24 and 36. We can ignore 12, we can ignore 8, 24. What is the prime factorization? 36. What is the prime factorization? 2 raised to the power 3 into 3 and 2 raised to the power 2 into 3 raised to the power 2. So our LCM comes out to be 2 raised to the power 3 into 3 raised to the power 2, which is 8 into 9, which is 72. But now I have this negative remainder over here, which is 3. I will subtract that negative remainder to get my answer as 69 is the right answer. Second option is 100% correct. We can do that, yes. Shivam, correct. There is no none of these. So आप options pick करके भी कर सकते हैं. Yes. But learning this, sure प्रणव. So यहाँ पर हमने क्या किया है? हमने observe ये किया है प्रणव कि every single number, when we are dividing it by 8, I get a remainder of 5. When I'm dividing it by 12, I'm getting a remainder of 9. When I'm dividing it by 24, I'm getting a remainder of 21. So यहाँ पर ये concept जो है negative remainder की बात हो रही है. अगर आप देखें सबका difference जो है -3 है. Can you see that? सभी का difference जो है -3 है. And same thing, I have found the LCM for the 4 numbers, which is coming out to be 72. और जो यहाँ पर negative remainder था हर एक number में से, I have to subtract that same number, which is 69. अगर ये रिमाइंडर्स पॉजिटिव में होते तो मैं ऐड करता, यहाँ पर नेगेटिव रिमाइंडर है तो इसलिए मैंने सब्ट्रैक्ट किया है. And I get my answer as 69. Second option is the right answer. Difference of remainder not exactly, आप देख सकते हैं difference same नहीं है. 5, 9, 21, 33. अगर मैं इनका difference देखूं, that will be different, right? It is not same. Numbers का from where the divisors which we are having 8, 12, 24 and 36 and the remainders, yes, उनका difference same होगा. If you are asking that, Shivam Sharma. Perfect. Shall we proceed, everyone? वो पॉसिबल नहीं होगा आदेश. फिर आप सॉल्व नहीं कर पाएंगे. कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे फिर बताइए? डिफरेंस भी अगर अलग आया फिर दैट विल बी अ डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन. या चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट वन. प्लीज सॉल्व कीजिए. And this question will be answered by Chirag. Please tell me the answer you're getting for this one. 30 seconds we'll discuss. Shreya is saying 204. We will check, Shreya, if that is the right answer. No worries, we'll check. Others? Yes, Chirag, please tell me the answer. विधि, शिवम, बताइए क्या आंसर आ रहा है? Okay, Archana is saying 425. We will check if it is the right answer or not. Okay, now Shivam and Ruby are also saying 425. We will check. Last 15 seconds we will discuss. Sukhcharanjit is saying 415. We will check. चलिए आइए डिस्कस करते हैं. Let's see what is the right answer. So, what is the least number? So, which means we have to find the LCM. ये बात यहाँ clear हो जाती है जी. Okay, Shivam is saying 215. Let's check. So, LCM हमें ढूंढना है, ये बात clear हो जाती है from the first statement only. Which one being divided by 7, 10 and 15 leaves in each case a remainder 5. All right. Plus 5 है, please check. But when divided by 17 leaves no remainder. So बात सिंपल सी है. आइए 7, 10 और 15 का पहले LCM निकाल लेते हैं. क्या है? 7 तो 7 ही है. 10 is 2 into 5. 15 is 3 into 5. So we've got the LCM as 7 into 2 into 3 into 5, which comes out to be how much? 210. Now I have got a remainder of 5 here. So please, I will write down the statement like this. 210 into x plus 5. Now if I place x is equal to 1, I get my number as 215. But now I will check its divisibility by 17. Is it divisible or not? 17, I've got 45. No, it is not divisible. Hence, I will put x is equal to 2, which is 425. Right? I will check again for 17. 234, 85. Yes, now it is divisible. 100%. So, which means I will be checking on the multiples of the LCM also. Please note, I will be checking on the multiples of the LCM, and I have to satisfy both the conditions. First is on the remainder plus 5, and then if dividing by 17 there is no remainder. Please check. So 425 is the right answer, not 415, not 215, not 204. Please check. Clear, everybody? And the answer which was given was by Archana. Good Archana, you got it right. Very nice. Chirag, what happened? No worries. Okay. Everybody clear? Shall we proceed? Okay. Let's go to the next one. अब आगे बात आ जाती है. Yes, this is also a good question. This is one of the questions which has come in past CAT examination. Please check. Solve it. We'll discuss. Okay. We are getting the answer 120. Everybody, please confirm. Last 15 seconds we'll discuss. Ruby is saying 240. Okay, we'll check. All right, let's discuss. So before we start attempting the question, a quick note that whenever the word we have together or simultaneously, which also means the question is of LCM, please note. Whenever we are talking about together or simultaneous, or I mean, over here in this case, we can see tolling. So it is of LCM. So we have four bells commence tolling at the same, and they toll at intervals 5, 6, 12, and 40 seconds respectively. After how many seconds will they toll together again in seconds? So let's do that. हमें यहाँ सिर्फ simple सा LCM निकालना है और देखना है कि क्या वैल्यू आ रही है. We can ignore 5, we can ignore 6, 12 and 40. 2 into 2 into 3 and 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Our LCM is 2 to the power 3 into 3 into 5, which is how much? 4 into 3 into 10, which is 120 seconds is the right answer. Not 250, please check. 120 is the right answer. Everybody please check. This is plain and simple, right? No worries, Ruby. Okay, shall we proceed? Perfect. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. क्लास साइज का समय आ गया है. अब देखते हैं everybody is able to get the all three right or not. Time starts now. 15 seconds, we'll go to question number 2. Question number 2. Ten seconds, we'll go to question number 3. Question number 3 on your screen. Last 10 seconds, we'll go and check the answers. चलिए आइए देखते हैं क्या है आंसर्स तीनों क्वेश्चंस के. First is 540, second is 129, and third is 30. Please confirm how many of you got all the 3 right. Everybody got all 3 right? इस बार सभी के सही होने चाहिए थे. We have done very similar questions. Good. I can see almost everybody got all the 3 questions right. Perfect. Shall we proceed? Okay, Ruby saying second question. Let's discuss Ruby's second question. Least number which when divided by 7, 9, 14 and 18 leaves 3 as the remainder in each case. So हमें LCM निकालना है और उसके बाद 3 उसमें ऐड कर देना है बस, और तो कुछ है ही नहीं इसमें रूबी. There is nothing much. आइए देखते हैं क्या है आंसर. 7 and 9 we can ignore, and whatever will be the LCM we'll just add 3 to it. That is all. इसका आंसर क्या था हमारा? 129. 126 आएगा इसका LCM और उसमें आपको 3 ऐड करना है. That is all. 129. Yeah. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. I want to cover couple of things before we end the class. Let me share my screen on the main presentation again. चलिए ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कीजिए प्लीज. 30 seconds we will discuss. इंटरेस्टिंग आंसर्स आते हुए, बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग. ये एक इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन होने वाला है. ओके. यस आदेश, देखते हैं अभी वही आने वाली है. यस. Last 15 seconds we'll discuss. बहुत सारी घंटियां बज रही हैं यहाँ पे, बहुत ही जबरदस्त आंसर्स आ रहे हैं. आई एम रियली हैप्पी टू सी ऑल ऑफ देम. Okay, we'll see if it is the right answer or not. Last 10 seconds, please. Vidhi, what is your answer? Please tell me. Okay. चलिए आइए सॉल्व करते हैं, डिस्कस करते हैं. So we have got some answers which are 3 भी है हमारे आंसर्स में जो आपने दिए हैं मुझे, और 3 के साथ साथ we've got 12 also. Okay, 60 भी है शिवम पृथ्वी का आंसर. ओके, और चिराग ने इनिशियली कहा 120. मैं इसमें ऐड कर देता हूँ एक और. सो 120 मतलब 1 मिनट में बहुत ही ज्यादा घंटियां बज रही हैं. क्या बात है. तो बहुत ही 1 मिनट में बहुत सारी घंटियां बजा दी चिराग ने। चलिए गुड, कोई बात नहीं, इंटरेस्टिंग। सो आइए डिस्कस करते हैं। राइट श्रेया, तो यहाँ पर हो क्या रहा है? सो वी हैव टू बेसिकली सी कि two bells start tolling together 1 2 3 times in 12 seconds. So can I see how how many seconds it will take to toll once? तो अगर मैं निकालूं, हम ऐसे कर लेते हैं B1. So B1, it is tolling 3 times in 12 seconds, which means it will toll 4 second once. Yes. And जो bell 2 है, it is tolling 2 times in 10 seconds. तो इसका मतलब 5 seconds में वो एक बार toll करेगी. Yes. So if I have to see कि ये जब इकट्ठी हैं, टुगेदर इज द वर्ड, टुगेदर पे हमें पता है, टुगेदर पे हमें एलसीएम निकालना है. सो एलसीएम ऑफ दीज टू इज नथिंग बट 20 सेकंड्स. यस, 20 seconds. और हमें पूछा गया है how many times they will toll together in the first minute. First minute means 60 seconds, divide by 20. Answer is 3. So यहाँ से 3 3 ए ऑप्शन चक दे, ए के ऊपर ही सीधा हम मार्क कर देंगे. परंतु we have another point, which is two bells start tolling together 0th second के ऊपर भी एक घंटी बजी थी. और बज रही है घंटी. So 0th moment, I mean when they started, then also the bells toll together, which means third 3 is not the right answer, but 4th over here, 4D option is the right answer. 3 plus 1, 4 is the right answer. Please check. Not 3. This is one of the CAT examination questions. This is what I was referring earlier. So please check. This is very much misleading. You get the answer, but still you do not mark the right answer. 120 तो possible ही नहीं है. Clear everybody? कोई बात नहीं शिवम, चक दे हो गया, no worries. All right. एक last चीज हमें देखनी है before we call it class. Shall we proceed, everyone? This one is clear, everybody? Okay, let's go to the next one quickly. We will learn. Okay, this one. So what is the LCM of fraction? LCM of the numerator divided by the HCF of denominator. HCF of fraction क्या है? HCF of numerator divided by the LCM of the denominator. Please make a note of these two quick formulas. जो आपको निकालना है वो न्यूमरेटर में होगा, और HCF उसका ऑपोजिट डिनोमिनेटर में. जो निकालना है वो न्यूमरेटर में, उसका ऑपोजिट डिनोमिनेटर. Please make a note and confirm. We'll proceed and do quick 2 questions and then we'll complete the class. छोटे छोटे से 2 क्वेश्चन और जीवन में खुशी, क्लास की छुट्टी. Please confirm. Can we go to the question? Note it down, everybody. All right. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. सॉल्व कीजिए. प्लीज बताइए इसका आंसर, जल्दी से बता दीजिए. वर्बली ही हो जाना चाहिए, तो बताइए प्लीज. Please tell me the answer. Shivam is saying first option. Everybody, are you getting the first option? Please check. Everyone, please confirm. Yeah. चलिए आइए देखते हैं. 2 by 3 and 6 by 7. So first I have to find the LCM. I'll find the LCM of the two numerators, which is 6 over here. HCF of the two denominators, which is 1. Yeah, HCF kya hai 3 or 7 ka? 1. Now, if I have to find the HCF of the fractions, then HCF of the numerators, which is 2 over here, and LCM of the denominators, which is 7 into 3, 21. First option is the right answer. Please check. Clear ho gayi ji baat? Everyone clear? Can we go to the last question of the day? Okay, last question for the day is in, ये है हमारा last question of the day. CAT 2002. Please solve this and tell me the answer. Vidhi is saying first option. Okay, we'll check. So this one is also mixed fraction. Please note 7 1 by 5 is a mixed fraction. Chirag is saying fourth option. Okay, we'll check. Chirag and Archana, can you please tell me what is the answer you're getting? Can you please mention the values also? Last 10 seconds we will discuss. Okay, Chirag will check. Those of you who are getting the fourth option, please mention the values also. Okay, Archana will check. चलिए आइए solve करते हैं. So what is happening? It is a good question. First of all, couple of things getting clubbed together. So first thing is, let's bring this mixed fraction to a normal fraction. So what are the three pieces of cake we have? We have 9 by 2 and 6 4 the 24 and 3 27 by 4 and 35 and 136 by 5. These are the three pieces of cakes I have, right? So now what is to be done in this question? We have each part must be as heavy as possible, which means what? This statement helps us confirm we have to find the HCF of the given fractions. this statement confirms. Let's do that. So HCF क्या होगा यहाँ पे? HCF of the numerator, which is 9 by LCM of the denominator. I'm just taking the first two first of all. Similar thing, 36 by 5, इसका भी हम HCF लेंगे, which is 9 by 20 is my HCF of the three numbers. Please check. Now, what is asked in the question? What is the minimum number of guests that could be served? Now, I'll take the sum of all three to see what is my. So now this is the quantity of the cake which will go to all of them. Now, what is the total cake quantity I have? Let me sum all the three, which I'll have as 18 plus 27. This is what? 45 by 4 and 36 by 5. 45 by, let me add over here, 45 by 4 divided by 20. 36 into 5 is 180. My bad. 180 plus, sorry, 36 into 4 it will be, not, my bad. 36 into 4, which is 36, 4, 24, 144. Plus 45 into 5 is 225. 144, 225. This comes out to be 369 by 20. This is my total cake which I'm having, right? So to find out how many guests which we can serve, this will be, I'll do it here, 369 divided by 20 divided by 9 by 20, which is, it will reciprocate while going to the numerator. 369 divided by 20 into 20 by 9. 20 gets cancelled. Answer comes out to be 41 guests is the right answer. Chirag, you are 100% correct. Fourth option is the right answer, not one. Please check. Clear, everybody? Perfect. So this is a good question. You can make a note of this. And Chirag, once again, good. You got it right. All right. Thank you, everyone. It was a nice working along with you on all of these questions. Please go back and solve all the HCF and LCM based questions. And I'll see you next time. Thank you, everyone. Happy Onam once again. Bye-bye.